Most people think washing a car is simple. Soap, water, wipe it down, and you're done. But the way most drivers clean their cars actually causes scratches, faded interiors, damaged trim, and premature wear without them realizing it. Professional detailers know small tricks that protect surfaces and make cleaning easier. Today, you're learning 17 car cleaning hacks almost no one talks about. The first hack is rinsing before touching anything. Dry dust and dirt act like sandpaper. Always rinse loose debris off before wiping to prevent micro scratches in paint and clear coat. Hack 7 is cleaning door jambs regularly. Dirt buildup here traps moisture and accelerates rust over time. The 8th hack is using a soft brush for interior vents. Blowing air spreads dust deeper, but a brush actually removes it. Hack 9 is vacuuming before wiping interior surfaces. Wiping dusty dashboards grinds particles into plastic, causing shine and wear. The 10th hack is using mild soap for interior plastics. Strong cleaners strip protective coatings and cause cracking and fading. Hack 11 is cleaning seat belts. Dirty belts retract slower and wear prematurely. Pull them fully out and wipe gently with mild soap. The 12th hack is using glass cleaner sparingly. Overspray damages trim and leaves residue. So, spray onto the towel, not the glass. Hack 13 is cleaning headlights with proper products. Household abrasives remove UV coating, causing faster yellowing later. The 14th hack is protecting rubber seals with silicone-based products. This prevents cracking, sticking, and wind noise. Hack 15 is washing your sponge or mitt frequently. A dirty mitt causes more damage than dirty paint. The 16th hack is cleaning under floor mats. Trapped moisture causes odors and corrosion over time. The 17th and final hack is consistency. Light, frequent cleaning causes far less wear than aggressive deep cleaning once in a while. Here's what most people don't realize. Cars don't look old because they're driven. They look old because they're cleaned incorrectly. Scratches, faded trim, cloudy plastics, and cracked interiors usually come from well-meaning owners doing the wrong things repeatedly. These hacks don't require expensive products or professional equipment. They require better habits. Clean cars aren't just about appearance. Dirt holds moisture. Moisture causes corrosion, and corrosion destroys value. If you follow these habits, your car will stay cleaner longer, age slower, and retain more resale value. Most drivers don't notice damage until it's permanent. Smart owners prevent it from happening in the first place. If you want your car to look newer for years instead of months, these details matter. Subscribe to Gear Specs for real-world car knowledge that saves you time, money, and unnecessary damage.